Dear students, today we will learn about the coordinate bond. Okay, third type of bond. Students, electrovalent bond and covalent bond already completed. Their properties, what is electrovalent compound, what is electrovalency. I hope you prepare note in copy. Similarly, what is covalent compound, what is covalency, formation of the covalent molecule according to your syllabus, that is carbon tetrachloride and water and methane, okay, oxygen, nitrogen, those are non-polar covalent, those are polar covalent, everything completed. Now we are moving to the last type of bond, that is coordinate bond. Students, in this type of bond, the entire sharing pair of electron takes place. Suppose, as per example, there is a oxygen molecule, water molecule. Water molecule is H2O, you know, and students, it's a polar covalent molecule. You know, in polar covalent molecule there is a electronegativity difference between two atom happens. Suppose hydrogen, its electronegativity 2.1 and nitrogen around 3. So there is a electronegativity difference between these two. I am little bit confused, 3 or 3.5 like this. So you once I need to check, no problem, but there is a electronegativity difference. Students, it is 3.5 for oxygen, okay, 3.5. So what happens, there is two lone pair on the oxygen. Two lone pair means non-bonding electron pair. Okay, then what happens when water in the solution, H plus present, so this lone pair, so H plus will gain stability. H plus means normal hydrogen has only one electron, but when it is plus, that electron also it lose. That means H plus means there is no electron. Okay, now H plus means there is not a single electron present. That's why that is plus charge. So a H plus ion need a pair of electron to gain the stability, because you know minimum 2 electron need to gain the stability, and for hydrogen duplet happens, okay, and for other elements octet. So for that duplet it's need 2 electron, so that oxygen one lone pair will give to the hydrogen but share by both. Okay, that entire pair of electron will be given to the another atom but share by both. This type of bond is called coordinate bond, and it is represented by this type of arrow. Okay, students, first I have given the example because the example will give you the idea, first give you the idea. Now I will enter the topic. So it's a special kind of bond, so it will form the ion H3O plus, because see students, when this lone pair given to the hydrogen, that plus charge will come all over on this ion. Okay, H3O plus, that entire ion formation happens above the plus charge will be there, because ultimately to there is 2 electron less. Okay, means generally 1 electron is, so ultimately there is that loss is there. Okay, so there will be one plus charge. Now students, come to the definition, that the bond form between two atoms by sharing a pair of electron provided entirely by one of the combining atom but share by both is called a coordinate or dative bond. And students, H2O, that lone pair present on the oxygen, give to the hydrogen H plus and form H3O plus. That means it is called donor. Lone pair who is donate the electron pair, they are known as donor, and hydrogen is acceptor. So the condition formation of coordinate bond, first condition is that one atom must have a lone pair and another atom must accept it. Okay, so one of the two atom must have at least one lone pair, like ammonia. in formation of ammonia, you checked in the during covalent bond formation, you see that there is a non-bonded electron pair present on nitrogen. Once I am showing you for your understand. Ammonia, where is ammonia? I think ammonia is not drawn here also, but the lone pair is not visible in ammonia. Otherwise I will show you. Students, ammonia formation is not there, but water formation is given. You can see there is two lone pair above and below. So if you do the practice the formation of ammonia, there you can see the lone pair. Okay. So first condition is that one of two atom must have one lone pair. Similarly, the second point, the lone pair electron provide to the other atom formation of another atom should have sort of at least one pair of electrons. Okay, means one is donor, another is acceptor. Acceptor means it should be have a vacant orbital, or it can accept a pair of electron. That condition should be there. Okay. So here you can see the atom which provide electron pair is called donor and acceptor. Okay, students, now I am showing my note for better understand you how you will prepare the note. Here you can see that the bond, the definition I have given, and these two ion present in your syllabus, hydronium ion and ammonium ion. Okay, that is hydronium ion, and OH minus ion is called hydroxyl ion or hydroxide ion. Okay, so just remember this thing that one conditions you can see one atom must have at least a lone pair which is called donor, like there LP pair of electron not involve. Okay, a definition of lone pair has given over here, pair of electron not involve bonding or sharing. Okay, means it this non-bonding electron will need means is need for the preparation of for the formation of coordinate bond. Okay, now students, another atom should be sort of at least one lone pair like hydroxyl H plus ion which is acceptor. Okay, so note means ion plus polar covalent molecule. So this bonding takes place between an ion means suppose H plus ion, and a polar covalent molecule. Polar covalent means suppose H2O. Polar covalent molecule has a lone pair, it will donate to the ion and the coordinate bond will happens. Now students, formation of H3O plus, what is present in your syllabus that I am doing. First covalent bonding I have shown here. You see oxygen outer electron shown by dot structure, two hydrogen both side form H2O. Then this you can see that two unshared LP, when it will dissolve in the H plus solution means in acid, you know, suppose HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, in solution it will provide H plus plus Cl minus. So when it will be present inside the acid, then what happened, H plus come, okay, and it will this portion you check, it will donate and there is the coordinate bond formation occur. Okay, means OH one arrow will be this is the coordinate bond. Coordinate bond, covalent bond can coexist, no problem. Okay, so students, I hope here the electronegativity difference you can see 3.5 oxygen, 2.1 hydrogen, so 1.4, and electronegativity difference is if greater than I told you greater than 0.5 means it is a polar covalent molecule. Okay, students, now the next hydroxyl ion, that is also present. One ammonium ion, you can see ammonia, one arrow, this lone pair is given to the hydrogen H plus. This plus is not here because entirely I have written over here. Okay, if you give the third bracket, don't write the plus on that hydrogen, write over all over. Okay, like this way. Here you can see that these some star means for hydrogen, that star, and this dot it for nitrogen outermost electrons I have shown. Okay, students, this is here, this is it, and this is hydroxyl ion. Once I am showing your book for your better understand. It's very easy. Nothing hard is there. Here you can see hydronium ion. Okay, that all electronegativity difference, everything is written over here. You know, I have explained it is a polar molecule. There will be a delta plus, delta minus is coming. Okay, due to the polar, and here is the bond. These are covalent bond. These are covalent bond, and another one is the coordinate bond. Coordinate bond show like this arrow. Now students, the next page, ammonium ion, formation of ammonium ion. Here you see, very easy. Okay, first check structure, outermost electron of nitrogen, then H plus come. One this lone pair donation takes place. Okay, this lone pair will donate to the H plus, entirely plus will come. Okay, so these are the covalent bond. 3 covalent bond is there with these 3 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen coordinate bond. This is the coordinate bond, arrow is there. Okay, so this is the thing, student, formation of hydroxyl ion OH minus. So just very easy, OH. So oxygen outermost 6, first draw 6. Okay, then a hydrogen. Okay, O and H, hydroxyl ion 2 4 6. So we have to make it 8. So OH minus, that means hydrogen 1 electron will bond with like this way. Here you can see, and another, so 1 H plus is there in the solution, so it will release 1 electron, that is also present in OH. That's why the minus is there. Understand, this minus is here. I am showing you, zooming it. See, this minus is this hydrogen's electron. Okay, so this hydrogen plus means it will donate. You see this structure. This is the structure of water molecule. So this is entirely OH minus when H will release, because H release at H plus. So entirely this thing 1 minus will be there because as hydrogen released. Okay, so structure is very easy. Only draw the outermost electron, and outermost electron 8 will be there. Hydrogen is there. Okay, as this hydrogen not present, so there will be minus. Okay, so this is hydroxyl ion, and this is, there it is, hydronium ion. Okay, here it is hydronium ion. This both ion is very important. Here you can see hydronium ion. Why here it is plus? Because students, here you know, one extra H plus is added to water. Okay, means one lone pair is given to that hydrogen. Here this structure water, in that case H plus go OH, that's why minus. But here entire water is there, another H plus is adding, that's why above plus is there, because one lone pair ultimately given to the H plus, so the hydronium ion will be plus. So by this way formation of hydroxyl ion hydronium ion happens. You draw in your copy and practice. And there it is last topic, self ionization of water. It is very easy, that dissociation of when the water molecule ionize, the for that will produce this is important, H2O plus H2O, H3O plus and OH minus, hydronium ion, hydroxide ion. Okay, that is cation, that is anion. Okay, that is the ionization of water happens. And the formation, the structure of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion, very important. This is the structure, and how this structure happens, that you understand in the previous, just some time before I show you. So students, I hope this is all about the chapter. Next class I will provide all the question answer. You must write the question answer, but first understand the topic properly. Thank you.